On, it's me. They look nice. She even scheduled, she had the other one scheduled, but she was going through her book and she wanted to let me know that she can schedule the last appointment for the year, so that's what she did. She gave me a card with the next appointment and the last appointment of the year. You guys look good, huh? No, that doesn't mean climb on me. No, that doesn't mean climb on. No. It's raining out? No. Yes, you're cute, both of you. But no. Yes, you're cute. Yes, you're cute. Really? We're gonna do this? Really? Okay, I guess we're gonna do this. You got that one. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.